As always, your safety and well-being is our top priority, and we're already preparing ways to protect you, as well as our teams. Here are some of the measures that are likely to be in place for your cruise. Just so you know, we'll be keeping a close eye on the latest government advice, and we'll be updating our measures as the situation changes. We'll send you an email 2 weeks before your cruise, with all the exciting details, as well as any safety regulations you need to be aware of. You might have to wear a face mask at certain points of your holiday, like on the plane, transfers, or in any enclosed spaces on board. So you'll need to make sure you've got one handy. We'll let you know these kind of details closer to your cruise. We've teamed up with leading airlines so you can fly from a wide range of regional airports. Each airport and airline may have different safety procedures, so you'll need to check these before you fly. If you have any COVID-19 symptoms, please don't travel to the airport. Our transfer buses will have safety measures in place, like regular deep cleaning, hand sanitizer, protective equipment for staff, and social distancing where possible. These measures will be based on local regulations, so they'll vary from country to country. Hand sanitizer will be available at the ship's entrance and in all public areas. We recommend you bring some of your own too. We'll have extra cleaning measures in place around the ship, plus we'll thoroughly disinfect the cabins throughout your holiday and between guests. Every crew member will be given protective equipment to wear where necessary. We bet you can't wait to explore again, and we're just as excited to show you around. You can choose and book your excursions online ahead of your cruise by visiting rivercruises.gotui.com/UK. Group sizes will be small where possible to help with social distancing. And don't worry, you can still look forward to trying local food and drink on excursions where this is featured. Closer to your holiday, we'll be in touch with the most up-to-date guidance, so you're all clued up. Thanks for watching. We look forward to welcoming you on board soon.